Stop by and take a look at the 2003 G-Class. Not many SUVs can claim a hand-built luxury interior inside a battle-tested, hand-built body. In fact, only one can. Extraordinary capability and ongoing enhancement have made the G-Class one of the world's top off-roaders for the past 3 decades and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, premium wheels, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.